What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I am the GM Man. Today we are going to be loading up the 79 GMC's truck hood, but first I have to unload the tires and everything else that's in the bed of my truck. We are going to be taking it over to Chad. I'm not sure why he asked for it, so that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to jump out, get it loaded, and we'll head on that way, so stay tuned.
Ryan Little.
We're all loaded up and we are heading over to Chad's. I hope you guys can hear me all right. The hood is in the back. I didn't have the factory bolts for it, so I had to find new ones, but we live on a farm, so that wasn't too hard. But we are headed over there and I will pick you guys up once we get to his shop. Like I said, I'm not sure what he needs the hood for, but I guess we'll find out when we get over there. Well, all I needed was the hood. He's gonna end up putting it on. I'm not sure what the idea is, but I have to get the core support patched and some other odd and end stuff. I did order a full leaf spring and new shackles and stuff. I'll go over that more once we get back to the house. So we're gonna head out here and I'll catch you guys over there. Peace. Well, we are back at the house, or the farm now. Here is the core support for the 79. This is the one I have to do the patchwork on. It's right down there. You can see there's a section missing. I'm just going to make a template out of probably cardboard and get my bends and everything, and then make it out of metal, and then I'm just going to cut that section out and weld it in to match this side here. So I'll probably have a video up of that process maybe this weekend, but I'm not 100% sure yet because I want to sand the whole thing or wire brush the whole thing and then patch it, and then come back with POR 15 and coat the whole thing so it's nice shiny black and it won't rust. But over here on the 79 seats, the new seats we have for it is the grill for the 98. I still have to get it painted and switched over. I just have so many projects going on, like getting tractors ready for hay season and stuff. But on excuse me, the center console here, I did put a Square Body Nation decal, which is kind of cool. So I'm excited to get these seats thrown in the 79. I want to see what they look like. Eventually, I'll probably get them reupholstered to like a gunmetal gray or a black, and then I want to get like the GM Man stitched up here, or something along those lines, but I haven't decided yet. Excuse me. But when that time comes, I'm sure I'll have a video up of it so you guys can see exactly what I go with. But as far as the 79 goes, or as the project goes, I did order new leaf springs for it, both sides. In the rear, new leaf spring shackles, and then the driver's side leaf spring hanger bracket I have to order yet. So basically everything in the back is going to be redone. And then I have to get some filler, the filler neck that the gas goes down. I have to get a rubber hose to connect the filler neck to the fuel tank. And then it's just a lot of small odd end jobs, or odd end stuff now at this point. Getting fuel in it, making sure everything's primed, everything's ready to go. And then hopefully we'll have that first start up there on camera for you. We're going to try and get this put in, like I said, once I get it all finished, hopefully by this weekend. Get it put in the truck so then we can toss the radiator and everything in it. And then it's go time. So, little short update for you guys. Not a whole lot of action, just a lot of me talking. But I just want to kind of keep you guys up to date on the 79 build. So, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you're new, smash that subscribe button. Head on over to my Shopify to pick you up one of those decals. I have sunglasses, I have shirts, I have 3 or 4 different decals you can choose from. We are starting to get the merch game going, but hop on over there. Like I said, if you're new, smash that subscribe button, share the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment of what you guys are building. I like to see those. So that's going to be it, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.